Did you know it's possible to get your edges neat without using gel? Yo, when I discovered this combo that I'm about to show you in this video, I was like, wow, I feel like I'm actually using the slickest of gels and it's working well. So I'm going to show you what I do and what I use. I don't typically use gel on my hair on a day-to-day, so I will tend to use it, you know, if I've got you know, maybe an event coming up or something like that. But on a day-to-day, when I'm doing my twists, I do want my edges neat, but I don't necessarily want to use gel. So here we go. Don't watch this part of my hair because it is really thin and really weak, but it's the temples. It's the same on the other side. So this is what I'm using: Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter. And this product was actually gifted to me from Camille Rose, so thank you, Camille Rose, shout out to you. And what I do is I just apply a bit onto the front of my hair, or you know, just the edge of the twist. I don't particularly use this for making, how, you know, what do you call it, like edges as in, you know, when you style them. I don't do that, but I'm just making the perimeter of my hair really neat. So when I've used that butter, then I just slick it in. Now this is the secret sauce. I'm telling you, go cop this product. Yeah, no, don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Only if you want to, because I'm not one of those people that just run out and buy products for the sake of it. As I've mentioned in one of my videos previously, I think it was the Fenty hair one, I really don't buy products just for the sake of it. My routine is so solid that I just don't do that. But when I bought this Sunny Isle Rosemary Mint Butter, I did not regret it. I'm not gonna lie, I did not regret it. It is full of so much goodness, and I'm gutted. I don't even have the jar with me right now. If I did, I would have read out the ingredients to you. But it's full of it's just full of so many oils. If I can get the ingredients up on the screen, then I will. So what I did is I just placed that butter on my hair, slicked it down, and then I just continued. Well, I plait the roots of my hair again to make sure that I'm getting it neat, and then I twist the rest of my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you again on another piece of hair, another strand of hair at the front, and hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit more clearer. Now, I'm really sorry, I really should have used my phone for this, because my phone, the quality is much better and you would be able to see clearer. But what I do is when I apply the Camille Rose butter, I apply enough to notice the texture of my hair changing. So it's much smoother, it's much slicker. Sometimes I do use a bit of water first, but I didn't want to in this situation because I'd already stretched out my hair. But I do try and get kind of the texture of my hair to change a little bit first. Then I go in with the Sunny Isle Rosemary Mint. And again, when you see me rubbing this in and really pressing it into my hair, sorry about my voice guys, I've not been feeling too well recently, you can see, here you go, you can see the slickness, you can see the shininess. That's how it gets it looking, and it's almost laid. Do you see what I mean? It's almost laid. And this is not gel. No gel content here guys, no gel. Look at that. So again, I just do the same by plaiting the root. And just to add, when I plait the root, this is going to be hard to explain, but I'm slicking the front into the plait as much as I can. I hope that makes sense. It sounds a bit weird, but that's what I do, and then I just twist the rest. So this is the final look of my twists. I think some of them around the front are a bit smaller than I normally do them. The back ones are about the same. Don't watch the crazy kitchen in the back there, the rough picky hairs. Boy. But anyway, this is how I decided to wear my hair in the end. It was just in a bit of a messy bun, so I just grabbed the ends of my hair and then put the hair bubble around it, and that was the final look. And of course I had to get my my picture for the YouTube thumbnail, so yeah, here we go. All right. See you ladies, thanks for watching.